मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। बच्चों, आज की क्लास में हम लोग सेमीकंडक्टर चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। सो वी विल स्टार्ट लर्निंग फ्रॉम द बेसिक्स ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट सेमीकंडक्टर। बच्चों, हम लोगों ने पहले भी पढ़ा है, वी नो अबाउट कंडक्टर्स, वी नो अबाउट इंसुलेटर्स। सो वी हैव न्यू टाइप ऑफ like material, or we can talk about in terms of conductivity, maybe resistivity. So semiconductor is different as compared to conductors or insulators. So in what way semiconductor is different from maybe conductor or insulator? You can see in the name itself it is semi, and we can write semi plus conductor is what? Semiconductor. So semiconductor means what? It is showing the property of conductor but not completely. It is showing the property of a conductor partially. Maybe, so we will discuss about semiconductor. So we know about conductor. What is conductor? Which have large number of free electrons, which has large number of free electrons, which has large number of free electrons within its structure, and they are free to move. Or whenever we apply the potential difference across the conductor, all those free electrons start moving in some particular directions. So which has large number of free electrons and conduct electricity whenever electric field or electric potential is applied across its ends. So we know about insulator. What is insulator? If we talk about conductor, then we must talk with respect to insulator also. Then only we are going to compare the property of conductor with insulator. So what is insulator? Which do not have free electrons, or we can say they do not even have a single free electrons within their structure or boundary. So insulator is a material which has no free electrons, and they do not conduct electricity. Whenever we apply electric potential across that we know. So if we take conductor here, and if you write insulator, then semiconductor is someone who will lie in between conductor and semiconductor. Or we can say the property of semiconductor is intermediate to the property of conductor and insulator. So if we talk about conductor, their conductivity sigma, we are writing conductivity sigma, this is very high. But what about resistivity? We know resistivity, this rho stands for resistivity. So resistivity is what? It is reciprocal of conductivity. So if there is higher value of conductivity, the resistivity will be low. So resistivity is low. So for conductor, if you talk, resistivity is low. So you can pause the video and you can note down up to this. Moving forward, बच्चों, यहाँ पर हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं कंडक्टर की प्रॉपर्टी का। सो कंडक्टर की प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है बच्चों? कंडक्टर की कंडक्टिविटी हाई होती है और रेजिस्टिविटी क्या होता है? लो होता है। दिस स्टैंड्स फॉर लो and this stands for high. If you come to insulator, insulator is having so their conductivity is very low. What about resistivity? Resistivity high. If resistivity from this observation we can write as we know R is equal to rho into L by A. So if resistivity is high, for conductor resistivity is low, so if resistivity is low, resistance will be low. So for conductor resistance will be low. For insulator we are writing higher, lesser conductivity, so higher resistivity. What about resistance? So resistance is equal to rho into L by A. So if higher value of resistivity, then resistance will be high. So this implies resistance is high. So for insulator resistance is high, for conductor resistance is low for a given length of conductor and given area of cross section. Now we are coming to insulator. We are coming to semiconductor. So let us discuss semiconductor. So what is semiconductor? सेमीकंडक्टर की बच्चों जो कंडक्टिविटी होती है, अगर हम इस तरह से लिखें सेमी कंडक्टर, दिस इज कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर. सो सेमीकंडक्टर की कंडक्टिविटी जो होती है वो इंटरमीडिएट होती है कंडक्टर और इंसुलेटर के. इट मींस इसकी जो कंडक्टिविटी होगी वह इंसुलेटर की कंडक्टिविटी से ज्यादा होगा और कंडक्टर की कंडक्टिविटी से कम होगा. So this is the observation for semiconductor in regard of conductivity. Semiconductor की conductivity जो होगी बच्चों वो insulator से ज्यादा होगा और conductor से कम होगा. Next, resistivity. So we can talk about resistivity. Resistivity of semiconductor जो होगा, resistivity of semiconductor वो less than होगा resistivity of इंसुलेटर से और ज्यादा होगा रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ कंडक्टर से. वी कैन से रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ कंडक्टर जो होगा वो सबसे कम होगा, फिर रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर होगा एंड देन रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ इंसुलेटर होगा. सो बच्चों यहां से ये तीनों पॉइंट्स जो हमने ऑब्जर्व किया है, जब मैं आपको करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पढ़ा रहा था तो मैंने वहां पे बताया था रेजिस्टिविटी का फॉर्मूला m upon n e square into tau, where n is the mass of electron, n is what? Number density of free electrons. This is number density of free electron and tau is average relaxation time. बच्चों इस वीडियो में बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन इतना है, इससे आगे हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू.